packed up all our gear, did a short hike to a forest cabin we're staying at. Then from there we unloaded, got our fly fishing gear. Now we're hiking about 4 miles further into the mountains. We got my brother Greg with us. Got my brother-in-law Rhett with us. We got Chestnut, Rhett's dog. We dropped a quick line when we first had to cross the river. Greg caught a Yellowstone cutty on a dry fly. Then after that, we just kept on hiking, trying to get deeper into the mountains to a particular area that none of us have ever fished, and really excited about today. Coming up on an awesome little bridge here. That's freaking beautiful. Greg already getting in on the fish. All right guys, so we're down on the river now. Gonna start fishing. Fish on, guys. Nice fish. Nice fish, guys. Good fish. It's a cutty. Oh, no, that is a rainbow. Yeah, good rainbow. Yep, beautiful rainbow, about 14, 15 inches. It might be cutthroat or a cut bow. Not really sure. There he goes. Got him right in front of that log right there. See if there's another one in there. Got an indicator on right now and a nymph. We're flipping rocks and there are a ton of nymphs right now in this water. Ton of nymph casings. Fish on, guys. Good fish. Another good one. Another one at the base of one of those logs right there. This is a hard fighting fish. See if I can get him into me here. Oh yeah, good fish. Another good fish right there, guys. Another rainbow, nice one. 15 inches, a little fatter. So we caught him on there. Beautiful fish. There he goes. Flopped out of my hands. So right when we got here, before we started our longer hike down to this section of the river, my brother got one on a dry fly, a cutthroat. But since then on the water, we haven't seen any other surface activity. and flipping rocks, there are a ton of nymph casings. So right now I have a nymph under an indicator, and that's what I just caught those 2 rainbows on. Fish on, guys. Ooh. Dang, acrobatic fish. See. Beauty. Oh man, that was an acrobatic fish. That thing was jumping. I almost lost him because he was jumping so high and coming towards me so fast. I couldn't keep the line tight on him. There we go, guys. About 9, 5, 14 inches. Just a beautiful fish. There he goes. Awesome. Guys, that fish right there was awesome. At the very tail end of the drift, it hit that nymph and then it rocketed towards me, jumping out of the water like 3 times. I couldn't even keep the line tight on him. Fortunately, the initial hook set was good enough and we were able to land that fish. Nice 14-inch rainbow for our 3rd fish of the day. Fish on, guys. Oh yeah, nice. Came up for that dry fly. Nice, guys, that was awesome. It's a hopper I put on there. I had the nymph originally and I had that hit, and then this is a nice fish. And then I heard 2 fish jump down there, so I switched to a dry fly, a hopper. He's in the current. It feels like a good fish. Looks like another rainbow. And a nice one, guys. Dang. That's 9 and 7/16 inches. Beautiful rainbow right there. All right, guys, another rainbow, our 4th one of the day, but that was awesome. That was a pretty sick dry fly eat. He annihilated that orange and gray hopper I got on, and then he slipped out of my hands before I could show you guys the release, but he swam away just fine. Our cabin's right up there. We just hiked back. We covered about 13 or 14 miles today. Hiked way out, way back over there where you see those other peaks. We were way over there. We went a long way. But we had a blast today, got on some fish. I think I hooked 4 with the nymph, got 3 to the net, then got 1 sweet rainbow on that dry fly eat. It was a blast today. Guys, if you liked the video, please hit that like button. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Share the channel with anyone you think you might be interested. Thanks so much for joining Kevin Rapkoch Fishing. We'll see you guys next time. Peace.